So my wife and I wanted to have chickens. We built a coop. We got the chicks and we put them in a dog kennel. Later, we put them in a brooder, bigger brooder. And 5 weeks later, we moved them to the coop. And to me, it looks like they're having fun. They like the place. We put a lot of effort into it to make sure they were in a good place with all the necessary essentials. Now, we still gotta watch for hawks, raccoons, and the occasional feral cat. But as far as I can see, we're doing a good job, and it looks like they are going to be okay. God is good.